Geography, Lesson 4 and 5 important distinguish between. Question number 1. Renewable resources and non-renewable resources. Renewable resources are those which have natural regeneration after their utilization. Non-renewable resources are the resources that cannot be replaced again after utilization. Do not pollute the environment. Example: water, sunlight, wind, etc. Pollute the environment. Example: coal, petroleum, natural gas, etc. Question number 2. Agro-based industry and mineral-based industry. These industries draw their raw materials from agricultural sector. They use both metals and non-metallic minerals as their raw materials. They provide employment in rural areas. Example: cotton textile industry. They provide employment both in rural and urban areas. Example: iron and steel industry. Question number 3. Conventional energy and non-conventional energy. These are non-renewable source of energy. These are renewable source of energy. They pollute the environment. Example: coal and petroleum. They do not pollute the environment. Example: solar energy, wind energy. Lesson 5, question number 1. Personal communication and mass communication. The exchange of information between the individuals is called personal communication. Mass communication enables millions of people to get the information at the same time. It includes post and telegraph services, telephone, mobile phone, SMS, fax, internet, email, etc. It includes radio, television, internet and newspaper, etc. Question number 2. Roadways and railways. Roadways are cost efficient and highly suitable for short distance. Railways fulfills the needs of large scale movement of traffic both for freight and passenger. It can provide door-to-door service. It cannot provide door-to-door service. Question number 3. Waterways and airways. It is the oldest and also the cheapest means of transport. Airways are the quickest, costliest, most modern and comfortable means of transport. It is classified into inland waterways and ocean waterways. It is classified into domestic airways and international airways. Question number 4. Internal trade and international trade. The trade carried on within the domestic territory of a country is termed as internal trade. Trade carried on between two or more countries is called international trade. Internal trade is based on the nation's currency. International trade is based on the foreign currency. Thank you. Stay connected for remaining lessons.